Hello humans, Siren here, and in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Dr. Jart Shake and Shot. What? So let's go ahead and dig in. I've actually had this for quite a while now. It's been sitting on my desk. As you can see, I have quite a bit of skincare products over here that I have been saving to do reviews in videos. If you are not aware, hi, I am Siren. I'm also known as the Green Guru on Beautytap.com. If you don't know what Beautytap is, it is a multicultural skincare and beauty platform, and I am one of the online beauty experts, as well as one of the team members of Beautytap Live. So if you have any questions, make sure to reach out. So I got this off of the Beautytap website, but right now they are out of stock. They do restock their products. And anyone who follows me, I offer a free 30-minute consultation where we go over your skin concerns, and I offer certain products that I think would work well for you. So this is the Shake and Shot. It's a rubber hydro mask, and the hydro mask ampoule contains a cocktail of vitamin B5, panthenol, and expert moist complex, rich in amino acids to help strengthen skin's moisture barrier. It's good for any kind of skin concern, but this one is specifically good for dryness, and it's supposed to deeply hydrate the skin. And I mean, if you're someone that's into aesthetic, you can't get any more weird and interesting than that right there, right? But let's go ahead and dig in. So the directions: I have to open the lid and remove a spatula from the lid. What? Oh my gosh, that's cute. Mix step 1 booster and step 2 liquid ampoule in the cup, then close the lid, cover the hole with your finger, and shake well until fully combined. Okay, so we're about to do some science up in here. I feel like I'm milking a cow with the way this is squirting out. I have the second one and rip this. Oh, this one's a lot more liquidy. See guys? I'm a scientist now. I feel like I'm making a mixed drink. Now we're gonna close this back up like the instructions say. Cover the little hole and shake, 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 shake. Shake, shake, shake. Oh, it just spit on me. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your mask. Shake your mask. It looks fully incorporated to me, I think. A little bit of a design flaw. You lose a lot of the product into the actual lid. I mean, it's cute, but okay, it feels quite thick on the skin. Not even jelly. What am I talking about? Jelly? It's almost like yogurt. I feel like I'm putting yogurt on my face. Put a nice even layer across the face. I do like the spatula. It's very big, and it definitely has a lot of surface area, so you can get a lot of it on your face at once, especially if you have to apply it within 2 to 3 minutes. Your girl is thick, mama. Feels like I got a bunch of Elmer's glue on my face. That's what this feels like. Elmer's glue. Okay guys, so I completely coated my face. I'm gonna wait 15 to 20 minutes and then I'll be back and you guys will be able to see the end result and we'll be able to peel this stuff off. Okay guys, it has been 15 to 20 minutes and it is time to take this off. The consistency is really interesting. It feels like glue. Like when glue is starting to dry. It's a really interesting feeling. It's very, very hydrating, very moisturizing. I can give them that. I will give them that. It's one of the most hydrating masks I think I've ever used that is a peel-off mask. almost all of it came off. Like, see, it's a really weird, like, dried glue, jelly kind of consistency. But I am happy about that because it makes peeling it off a lot easier. It makes it not as painful as the masks. Oh, this is a fun mask, I'm not gonna lie. And there you have it. I mean, I pretty much got it all off. So my pros, I really liked the fact that my skin feels super hydrated and moisturized afterwards. A lot of products that I've used that advertise moisturizing and hydrating don't do anything. And this really feels like it brought a lot of moisture back into my skin. And with the weather being cold the last few days, I feel like that's exactly what my skin needed. Now I feel like it's maybe a little too hydrated. I am shining to the high heavens with this new camera setup. And honestly, I have a really hard time finding peel off masks that don't irritate my skin. My only con was that the setup for it was a little time consuming as opposed to the masks that you just, you know, rip out of the package and stick on your face. This one took a little bit of time and effort, but it does feel really nice to just sit there for a few minutes and really give yourself that self-love that Self-Love Wednesdays and Self-Care Wednesdays are all about. I would have to rate the mask an 8 out of 10. I would have given it a higher score if the setup of the mask wasn't as difficult. It would have been nicer if they split up the product too, so you could have gotten 2 uses out of it, because I used quite a bit of product, and honestly, if I would have been able to cut it in half somehow, I could have made it into 2 masks. But besides that, my skin does feel glowing, luxurious, and fabulous. So I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not yet, make sure to subscribe, tap that bell to get notified of when I post new videos every Wednesday, and I'm gonna start trying to post on Saturdays as well, where I'll be doing music content like covers, dances, and original music. So thank you guys so much for following. If you liked the video, give it a big thumbs up, and also comment below what your favorite skincare product of 2020 was. I'm thinking about doing my 2020 recap video of all of my favorite products from then. But until next time, I will see you guys later. Love, peace and love to all of you. Bye!